It's impressive how some people work even if they don't have to. During the long US Memorial Day weekend, several cyber attacks were targeted against hundreds of organizations. The campaign was built on the zero-day vulnerability in the MOVEit secure file transfer platform. Last week, they started exhorting companies by listing their names on a data leak site, threatening to start making it public if a ransom was not paid. This comes as Progress Software, the company building MOVEit, released news related to a third vulnerability. The issue is another SQL injection that could potentially allow unauthenticated attackers to gain access to MOVEit database. Representatives of the crime group stated that they are financially motivated and any government-related data is quickly deleted. Nevertheless, quite a few US federal agencies are affected, including the Department of Energy. The Executive Assistant Director of CISA, the US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Agency, declared that is providing support to several federal organizations that have experienced intrusions affecting their MOVEit applications. Also, according to him, they are working urgently to understand impacts and ensure timely remediation. Hopefully, they will manage to find one in a timely manner. In the resources section of 505updates.com, you can find all the needed information, including CVE numbers and links detailing the exploits. Olimpiu Pop reported from Transylvania, Romania.